Hello students, how are you? In this class, we will learn about the geographical grid and some main features like local time, standard time, time zone, prime meridian. These few things we will learn. Already we learned the how to calculate by the help of how to calculate the time by the help of the longitude in our last video. I hope you have practiced well. Okay, question will come from that part. Very important part, that one. Now first, local time. Each, as I told, there are 360 longitudes are there, and every single longitude have the single different time. That's why the local time is considered. It is fixed by the position of the sun on the sky. That means, suppose this is a stick. When the sun is just above the stick, it gives the sun rays directly. That time there is no shadow. But when the sun is tilted like that, that means 9 a.m. or 6 p.m. what will be there? If the 9 a.m. is like that, the shadow will be there. If the 6 p.m. like that, the shadow will be this side. But when the sun just above these sticks, there will be no shadow. By the position of the inclination of the sun or the inclination angle of the sun, we can calculate the local time. Local time, there is a 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, from 12, 1 p.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 12 noon, again from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Okay, so there is a 24 hours considered as a local time. Coming to the next, that is the standard time. India like country, there's a huge country. Okay, if we consider every place's different local time, then it will be very problematic to organize the railway system as well as the airline system, isn't it? If every different place have the different time, then time management, then the departure time, arrival time, there will be a huge confuse. To clear this confuse or to optimize this confusion, the standard time considered. Standard time, how it calculate? Standard time calculated by the central meridian, that is called as a standard meridian of a country. In India, we are discussing about India, so it is very easy to understand. Indian standard meridian is 82 degree 30 minute east. How we got that 82 degree 30 minute east? A question will arise in our brain. It calculates like that. The extension of the longitudes of India is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So if you calculate from 68 to 97, almost 30 longitudes are there. Okay. If we divide the 30, then it will come 15. So from 68 degree 7 minute plus 50, how much? It will comes that 82 degree 30 minute east. So 82 degree 30 minute east is the middle latitudes between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 minute 25 degree east. Understood? That's why it is considered as the Indian standard meridian or central meridian. So 82 degree 30 minute east, 82 degree 30 minute is considered as India's standard time, that is IST. Clear? Coming to the next point, that is time zone. India like a country or a huge country like a Canada, Soviet Union, United States, they have a huge landmass and a huge extension, longitudinal extension. That's why they have different time zones. Canada have 6 time zones, Soviet Union have 11 time zones, and United States have 5 time zones. Okay, and if you consider the world, there are 24 time zones. Each zone contains 15 degree of longitude. Clear? There are 24 time zones because Earth rotates. Again that same point. Earth complete its one rotation in 24 hours. So world can be divided into 24 time zones. Each zone contains 15 degree of longitude. Understood? Next, coming to the prime meridian. As we consider the India or different states, countries like Canada, Soviet Union, United States. India also has a prime meridian or a standard meridian that is called as a prime meridian. Prime means the most important. As a prime minister, okay, like that, prime is most important. Where it is, where it has started, it is located in the Greenwich, in the London, in England, that is 0 degree longitudes, that is Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, understood? So what is the prime meridian? Prime meridian is considered as a 0 degree longitude which is drawn over the Greenwich in London, in England, and mentioned as a Greenwich Mean Time. Now coming to the next topic, that is International Date Line, IDL, International Date Line. It's all those lines are imaginary lines. For international date lines, there is a confusion. Please listen to me very much carefully. Opposite of 0 degree longitude is 180 degree longitude. Obviously, because the earth is a sphere, there is Greenwich on the above of the Greenwich, that is 0 degree, and just opposite of the 0 degree on the other hemisphere, that is obviously 180 degree. But there is a problem. What is the problem? Suppose that is 0 degree. Okay, in the eastern side that is 180 degree east, and in the western side that is 180 degree west. So 180 degree east and 180 degree west, both are the same line, but they are considered as a what? 180 degree east and 180 degree west. So don't you feel any confusion? One line, how can it be recognized as a east as well as west? Okay, now listen. That is also prime meridian. That is also prime meridian. So here write down prime meridian, prime meridian, and Greenwich. This total time 24 hours. If we go from Greenwich to each side, how much time take? It will take 12 hours. If we go this side, 12 hours. So 12 hours equal to 24 hours, isn't it? Now, this is 12 hours ahead, as because this is the western part. Sun rays used to fall fast in the western hemisphere, then in the eastern hemisphere. This is behind. Clear? Next, if their time is 25th December, that is 6 p.m., what will be the time here? Can you guess? 25th December, that is 6 p.m. 26th December, 6 a.m. Obviously, after 12 hours, what will be here? 25th December, 6 a.m. Now see the confusion. One line already have a date and time, that is 25th December, 6 a.m. Again it has a time that is 26th December, 6 a.m. So isn't it a confusion? Don't you feel some confusion? Yeah. To solve this confusion, the international date line has been selected. Okay. If you stand on the prime meridian or 180 degree, either you have to say that this is a 26 December 6 a.m. or just before a previous day 25th December 6 a.m. If you go from the eastern part to the western part, then you will definitely lose a day. That means if you go from here to here, you will lose a day. But if you go from western to eastern part, what will here? He will enjoy Christmas in a year. First 25 December, 6 a.m. already he had enjoyed. Again when he will come 25th December, he will enjoy the Christmas. So that is to confuse, to remove the confuse, to solve the confuse. The international deadline has been considered just beside the line 180-degree longitudes to solve the time problem. Clear? And the last but not the least part of this chapter, that is a great circle and small circle. What is great circle? A great circle is a circle drawn on the arc in such a way that the center of the circle is the center of the arc. That means you can consider the equator as a great circle, just the center of the arc. If we cut the arc into two equal halves, that you will see this is the center and this is the equator. So this is totally just about the circumferences of the arc, and equator is the just a great circle and no other one is such like a equator. That's why the equator is considered as a great circle, and all other the circles drawn on the map, they are called as a small circle. Okay, so remember, equator is a great circle and all other the small circles drawn on the arc, they are called as a small circle. So there is the end of the chapter. Hope you have enough idea throughout this all videos. Remember the things that you have to remember: latitude, longitude, time, calculation from the latitude, longitudes, prime meridian, international deadline, standard time. These things you have to remember and learn for the chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt throughout the chapter, you just note it down. When the school will open, we will discuss on those topics.